We got ourselves a 1992 Chrysler Fifth Avenue. It's got the Mark Cross leather interior package. It is gorgeous in there. It's a little bit dirty, but it's not too bad. We got the poverty caps on it. Got us a little whiskey den over there. But overall, she's in pretty good shape. Couldn't really tell you when it was last on the road. Got some trash. Got some crap. So we're back. And we vacuumed the floors out. They look a lot better. We're going to have to get the shampooer after it, but that's okay. Let's check out the oil. Looks pretty decent. As you can see, in between the spider webs and stuff we got going on here, it runs pretty good. It's got good oil pressure. Battery gauge is starting to go up a little bit. Alright, here's to hoping and praying I did a good job, y'all. It's been a long time since I put a transmission in a Chrysler, but I figure it's like riding a rusty bicycle. Kinda don't really forget. So here we go. Here's our first start since we put the transmission in. Hopefully our first drive too. Alright, let's see how many of our amenities work. We got the driver window. It goes down pretty good. Okay, we're going for that one. I know it's kind of late, but I wonder when the last time anybody's seen this. This is the before on the passenger side. This is the before on the driver's side. So here's the side after we fix it. And then over here is the side. I think it looks pretty awesome, if I do say so myself. So today we're going to do the headliner. As you can see, there's nothing left to it. So we're going to pull it and we'll show you what we're going to do. This is all the stuff that we found underneath the back seat whenever we took it out. Because we had to take out the back seat to take out the headliner. That I busted up into a billion pieces. It's fixable. It's okay. First time using the fiberglass filler. We did not film that. It kind of sucked. Okay, and for the other side, I channeled my inner pole barn garage. This is what we have at the end of the day. These two struts out of our car, and as you can see, one of them is really, really bad. We already put the new air compressor in, we already put the new shocks in, and I found out that one of the springs is bad. So, as you can see, we replaced the springs. We got about the equal same on both sides. Alright, we'll walk to the other side. Replace our pesky headlight motor. It's not too bad. 3 10mm bolts and some little wire clips on the end. Alrighty, so by popular demand, we are going to see how this system works. This is the automatic headlight controls, and to turn them on, you press this button right here. This is your delay for closing the doors after the lights shut off after you turn the ignition off. Over here is for your mirror. It has a dark button, so that way it gets real dark. I think that's pretty cool. Then you got a button over here that turns it on for the auto mirror, and whenever it sees light, automatically gets dark.